Hello people, welcome to the world of Philip India Bond. And now I will show you a simple technique of fishing, catching fishes in rice field. Catching fishes by using net. Here in local language they call it khoyali jal and in English is known as throwing net. Here I will show you the process by which they catch fish, the methods of throwing the net and how to collect the fish from this net. Actually last night it was very heavy rain out here, and just because of this heavy rain the water it gets stored in this rice field, and you can see the water which is which is stored over here. This water is not permanent water. It's because of this heavy rain which came last night, and people here they started catching fishes since morning, and they are getting fishes. Actually those fishes it came from a river which is just nearby to this rice field, and when that river it get overflow, during that time those fishes they come out from the river and got spreaded all over the rice field. And you can see how these people are catching fishes, and these people they are the villagers, local villagers over here, and they came here early morning. Somebody say came 4 o'clock in the 4 o'clock in the morning. Somebody they came at around 5:30, and now it's already noon and still they are trying to catch fishes. But in morning time, early morning, something around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, during that time they get fish which weigh around 10 kilo, 12 kilo. Somebody they also get fishes around 15 kilo also. But unfortunately I arrived here very late, and you can see they are not getting much fishes, because only reason is that when it's noon time, when the water get warm, during this time the fishes they tends to go inside, deep inside the water, and just because of that they are not getting fish. And here you can see they are throwing a net, something round shaped net. In local people they call it khorali jal in their local language, and in English it's called throwing net, I suppose. I don't know the exact name, but as per my knowledge it's known as khorali jal. Generally you can see people they use this technique, they use this net to catch fish in river, fisheries, lakes, ponds and all those source of water. But just because of yesterday rain this whole place is become like a small fishery or a small lake, you can say. And hope, yes, I wish I would have come here at early morning so that I could have shown you people when they are getting the big fishes, or not only the big fishes. Generally over here they get small fish which weigh around 100 gram, 200 gram, 300 gram. And now just because it's noon they are not getting, and that's very bad luck. I hope next time when they try to fish over here in rice field, I can come here in morning time and I can show you how they get the fishes and what size of fishes they get. But now it's bad luck to me that I am unable to show you the fishes over here, and hope you, even though they are not getting the fishes, I am just trying to show you the techniques, the process, how they throw the net, how they apply this net to catch fish in rice field. And hope you enjoyed this video. Even though they didn't get these fishes over here, I hope you people like this video. In this place, it whenever this place get heavy rain, this whole rice field, water gets stored over here, and after that people come and do fishing whenever they are free. Mostly they tend to come at morning time before 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Some people are here who came here very early morning. Very early means you can say before the sunrise also they come. You can see this after throwing this net, this person is now pulling the net, and now he will just check whether he gets some fish or not. And not only this one person, there are many people who are trying to catch fish. After checking whether he gets some fish or not, he will again gather the net, and again he will throw it for second time, third time, fourth time, repeatedly. And that's all for today. That's what I have to show you today in this video. And thank you for watching my video. Hopefully you people like this video. Please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and the bell icon so that you get the notification of future uploads. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and all of you have a great day ahead.